Welcome back to another Foundation Friday. Today, we've already talked about this foundation before, so we're just going to revisit it. It's a beautiful foundation. I waited too long to try it out, and it is from AboutFace. It's their skin-focused foundation, the Performer. I'm going to try shade LM2. If you watch my previous one, I ordered it in the summertime, and I'd gotten the olive shade, and then I had gotten a neutral one that was too light, and then this is the one that's supposed to be the right shade. So this is what it looks like. This is a beautiful foundation. Very skin-like, and they have olive undertones. So if you have an olive undertone and you struggled, this is a good one. So that's the color. LM2 neutral. Oh yeah, that's a good one. So this foundation has very good coverage. It's not a super high coverage foundation. I need more moisturizer. My skin is so dry. Hang on. This is the Dew Instant Angel. It's a really nice moisturizer. I definitely thought it was going to be more like emollient because I kind of need that now that it's very cold. I'm just going to put a little more moisturizer on. I'm just dry. I'm so dry. I don't know if I'm gonna edit this out or just keep it in. I mean, this is pretty real. If you have oily skin, you're gonna like this foundation. If you have dry skin, you're gonna like it too. I would just say prep your skin a little bit more. Okay, let's put some more on the back of my hand. You can apply it like onto your face. I don't like doing that. It's like a pet peeve of mine. I'm gonna take it. It's a good color match. So most of the time with foundations, I kind of just apply with my fingers like this, just to see like what the finish is. You can get a light coverage or you can build it up to like a solid medium. You can also take a brush. This is the BK Beauty 109. You prime the brush. You can also apply it like this. So it's a beautiful foundation. I find that it does help to take down redness, and it's it's one of those foundations, and I've always say this about certain ones, that when you put it on, it makes it look like I put more effort into my skin or into my makeup. And I like how it sits. Like, my skin is a bit textured, especially here. I have keratosis pilaris. So sometimes you can see like the bumps on my face. It covers it really nice without really like emphasizing it. Yeah, LM2, light medium, neutral. Yeah, LM2 is a very good shade. So if we are shade twins, this is definitely your shade. And it also sits pretty nice when my skin's like dry and flaky. Around the sides of my nose. I don't know. I don't think they have concealers. I could be wrong. I don't know that AboutFace has concealers or not, but if they don't and they do, I would definitely be looking forward to seeing like what they put out, because this is really good. I mean, that was pretty quick. This is probably a very fast video. But you saw how it just took down the redness on my face. It dries down like very like natural, and not natural where it pulls too matte or anything like that. It's actually just, it's nice. And if I smile, it's not emphasizing any of the dryness. And yes, I am missing a tooth here. I got it pulled. I'm gonna be totally real with you guys. Whenever I smile, because I've had it removed now for almost a year. You know, it's been a year now. Whenever I smile, I kind of smile, or I will show you guys like the right side of my face, because this is a little embarrassing. But now I'm gonna get the implant soon, so of course now I'm accepting it now that the implant is coming soon. But yes, I'm missing a tooth here. Anybody that's new is probably like, oh my god, what the hell? But yeah. So yeah. Good color match. I love the way it looks. I don't think you need to set it with foundation. Maybe if you're oily, but if you're dry skin like me. I don't think so. And like I said, LM2 is definitely a good, like, I would say this is probably my winter color. I don't get that much lighter. So I love this foundation. Don't be like me and wait too long to try it. This is definitely a revisit. I purchased it sometime in the summer, I think. Love it, really good. It does wear all day. It covers nicely and it does not look heavy on the skin. One of the best foundations I've tried this year, for sure. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I can't wait to hear from you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.